So here is my honey. I'm adding in my honey, and this is actually on the scale. Take some of your scrub just like this, and you start, massaging this all over the body. So this is a black soap scrub. This scrub is going to brighten the skin, exfoliate the skin, glow the skin, helps to uniform your skin, helps to clear out skin problems such as rashes, pimples. So if you want to learn how I made this black soap scrub, watch the video to the end. So this is my bowl. My bowl is washed and sterilized. So what I'll be adding in here is my base, and my base is actually my black soap. So this is African black soap. Some people calls it Ghana black soap. Yes, this is actually Ghana black soap. So this is going to serve as our base, and of course this is going to be a foamy scrub. That is, this scrub will wash your body and at the same time it will scrub your body. So I'm going to unravel this and I'm going to scale out the quantity needed. So I'll be putting all the measurements up on the screen for you to see in case you want to make your own products. So you're going to need a scale, and my bowl is actually on my scale. Then let's just weigh out our black soap. So this is my black soap. I will weigh out the soap I will need to make this scrub. So yeah, I'm keeping the remaining one. So next I'm going to dissolve this. I'm going to melt this, and so here's my black soap. I actually dissolve this on my cooker by putting my cooker on the lowest heat, and I allow it to melt. I allow the soap to completely dissolve. You can see it has dissolved into a paste, like into a fine paste. So let's go on to adding our other ingredients. So you have to quickly add in your ingredients in here before this soap solidify, because if you allow this to cool, it's going to solidify once it's getting cold. Next I'm going to add in my honey. So here is my honey. I'm adding in my honey, and this is actually on the scale. So here's my turmeric powder. I'll be adding in my turmeric powder. Please, you have to make sure that your please make sure that you're using your scale, and you can copy all the recipe, the quantity from the screen. So next I'm adding in my licorice root powder. So next I'm adding my amla powder. So next I'm adding my baobab powder. So you're going to mix this. You can actually mix this with a wooden spoon, okay? You can mix this with your hand. You can also use a wooden spoon. So just give this a very good mix very well until all the ingredients will incorporate together. So this is going to exfoliate your skin. Though I am not done adding ingredients yet, I still have more ingredients to add. This is going to exfoliate your skin. This is going to brighten your skin. You can use this on your face, on your body. You can leave it on the skin for some time so that the herbal benefit will go deeper into your skin, and this is going to brighten the skin. This will not get you dark, because we added licorice root powder, we added turmeric, we added amla, we added baobab, and this powder brightens the skin. They make the skin to glow. So I'm going to be adding in sugar. You can use brown sugar, you can use white sugar, whichever kind of sugar you want to use. You can add in any other kind of exfoliants or exfoliating nuts, like your apricot nuts, your walnut shell, any grain exfoliant that will help to exfoliate dead skin cells off your skin. Remember, we are making a black soap scrub, so we have to add in exfoliants that are in forms of grains, okay? So I'm going to be using my white sugar. You can use any sugar of your choice, like I said. You can even add in dead sea salt if you want. You can add in a Himalayan salt if you want. So I'm going to be adding in my sugar, and mind you, my bowl is actually on scale, so I'm not just pouring my sugar. I'm going to drop every measurement on the screen so you can see the quantity of ingredients I added. So if you want to make this products, why I don't actually drop recipe in percentages, that most of you're not skincare formulator, you make product yourself. So if I put it in percentage, you may not understand how you can convert them from percentage to gram. So that is why I drop the gram on the screen. So if you want to make, you can double up the gram to actually get the size you would want to make. So this is how it's looking like. This is what we are getting. Can you see? So this is how our scrub is looking. So like I said, you can start with your hand, and you can decide to just, you know, do this with your hand. So for me, I'm going to be incorporating with my hand, because I want all the ingredients to incorporate very, very well. So can you see our scrub? This is actually looking very, very gummy. I added plenty sugar to mine. I did 60% of sugar. If you like, you may not add sugar to this extent. You can just reduce the quantity of your sugar and increase the soap. But I just feel like, since this is a scrub, and trust me, this is still going to be more softer than this. Yes, that is the nature of this scrub. By tomorrow it will look more creamier, more softer than this. So I just feel like it's better for me to add in more sugar, so that it will help the stability of the scrub. Okay, so this is how our scrub is looking right now. I love the color. The color is not that bad. It's actually looking like a food that you can eat. So I'm going to show you how to use the scrub. So first of all, you have to wet the skin, and you take some of your scrub just like this. You start, you know, massaging this all over the body. At the same time you are scrubbing, right? You start doing this all over the body. So to make this easier, you can just get an exfoliating hand glove sponge, or you get a Moroccan exfoliating hand glove. Put the hand glove on, then take some of your scrub on your wet skin, then you just scrub your skin You don't even need to use soap again. This scrub does not need soap because this serves as your soap, and at the same time it serves as your scrub. So you can do this easily at home. Do this for yourself. You know, you just massage. The soap dissolves so easily, and at the same time you're having all these exfoliating particles on your skin. So just, you know, exfoliate in a circular motion, exfoliate your skin in a circular motion, and you just rinse off. Basically you rinse off. So just rinse the skin, and when you're done rinsing the skin, try to moisturize the skin. So what are the benefits of this scrub? This scrub is going to exfoliate the dead skin cells off your skin. It's going to serve as a soap. You don't need a soap because this is going to clean off dirt, oil from your skin, and at the same time it's going to exfoliate the skin, and this is going to help fade out hyperpigmentation, brighten up your skin because it contains brightening ingredients. If you're also having dark areas, dark knuckles, you can actually apply this black soap scrub there just to exfoliate dead skin cells off that particular area. If you're having uneven skin tone, you need to use the scrub, okay, so that you can have a uniformed skin. If you're having acne, rashes, you're having any kind of skin issues, and you want a soap you can use, a scrub you can use, you can equally use this product, and with time you'll see those skin problems disappear because of the herbal ingredients we added into this black soap scrub. So if you have sensitive skin, you can use this scrub 3 times in a week or 2 times in a week. But if you have a normal skin, please, you can use this 4 times in a week. You can use this every night depending on your skin type, because this actually serves as a soap and a scrub.